Welcome back, fourth grade mathematicians. Today I am showing you your second IXL skill for today. I'm in Canvas and under my IXL for the week. And then I come over to the second skill. I've already done K.19. I mastered it, or I have spent enough time that I figure I should probably move on to the next one. I would say it's about 20 minutes because you don't want to spend too much more than half your time. If I were you, I would go through. I know that I have to spend at least 40 minutes or master both skills. So I would go through, spend 20 minutes. If I haven't mastered the skill, move on to the next one. If I master that one in under 20 minutes, I can go back to my first skill. For instance, today I would do K.19 for 20 minutes. If I didn't master it, I'd move on to K.14. If I mastered that one in 7 minutes, let's say, then I'd go back to K.19 and try to master it within the time remaining. That's all. I have already done the video for K.19. As you can see, it's up above or right down below where this video will be. I'm going to click on K.14. Check, of course, that my name is in that upper right-hand corner of IXL, so I'm ready to go. My last one was on multiplication, true or false statements. This one is on division, true or false statements. My first problem is 18 divided by 2. Now it gives me an answer, but what I want to do is go through and double check that answer myself. And how I do that is I do my work for here. So 2 goes into 18 how many times? I can make a tic-tac-toe for it, because sometimes that makes my life easier. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Or if I just know my facts, what times 2 equals 18? 2 times blank equals 18. Here I can see that I'm counting by 2's and I've got to 18. How many times? It took me 9 times. So 2 times 9 equals 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now I just have to look at what number they give me. They say 18 divided by 2 is 7. They're wrong. So it's false. The next one is 12 divided by 4. If I divide 12 into 4 different groups, how many would be in each group? This might be a way that helped you when you were in 3rd grade to think about division. I would not do this for every problem, but this is just showing that I know how to use different skills. So I have 12 as my whole number. I have 4 different groups. If I put 1 in each group until I get to 12, how many am I going to have? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 3 in each group. 4 times what equals 12 is another way to think of this. And we know that 4 times 3 equals 12. We also know that if you divide 12 into 4 groups, each group will have 3. 3 is my answer. What do they give me on here? 3. So it's true. Do a couple more like this. As you can see, we have been getting faster with these videos each time. I try not to make them last more than 6 minutes. Sometimes they do, but I try. I'm not going faster because I want to rush you. I'm going faster because I want you to be able to watch them. And I think you guys have learned enough how to get into your assignments. I feel pretty good about everyone turning things in and understanding where to find their assignments. So I'm spending less time on that and more time on the skills. 10 divided by 2 is the same as 2 times what equals 10. I can either do it with a tic-tac-toe, or I can think of 10 in 2 groups. How many is in each group? 2 times what equals 10? 2 times 5 equals 10. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Ooh, they say 6. That's incorrect, so false. Last one that I'm going to do with you. 8 divided by 2 equals blank. 2 times what equals 8 is another way to think about it. 8 divided into 2 groups, how many is in each group? Or 2 times what equals 8? 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. What do they think it is? They say 6. That tells me they're incorrect. It's false. I hope this helps. Remember, if you ever have any questions, we have started the tutoring sessions as of today. But for the most part, I think you guys will be able to get this. You're pretty much multiplication pros when it comes to this level of thinking, and I can always help you if you do need more. But remember, watch this video. It helps. Bye, guys.